Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own widgets like this. Oh my gosh, where's the sound? And this. Blah. And also this right here. So first go in App Store, search ice cream right here. Since I already have it downloaded, I press open. But you guys can download it if you don't have it. I have to do something to this. 1 second, guys. Okay. I gotta go into app again. There. Hope it doesn't save the ad. Ew, no, I don't want these ads. I have to play it. Fine, I'll play it. Oh no. Okay, yeah. I don't wanna. Okay, there. Okay, why does it always go in there? There's widgets and stuff. I really like this one. So I'm gonna add unlock. I'm gonna press this and make it this color. This is so cute. Add unlock. But if you have the premium, there's no
Did
ads.
you know you can
just
get pet supplies through Uber Eats,
Ugh,
saving Peanut and Pablo from moments of utter...
I'm gonna turn off the sound. Okay. That girl has an old iPhone. No, there's no... What was it? Dynamic Island. I have one at this phone. If you guys can see. Is this for translating? What are you doing? Okay, I think this is a French. Okay. Now I got it. It's in my widgets. I have to press this. Since it's small, I press install, go to install.
Long press the...
This comes out. But you can just follow my tutorial instead. So we go to add widget and search ice cream. Since mine is small, I press add widget right here because it's a small widget. And I'm gonna put it right over here. Maybe I'll delete this. Remove. Okay. I want to put this here. Kurt would choose GIF1. There, now I have my cute widget. That's how you make your own widget. See you guys in another video. Bye.